drain comes through from there and then from next door, so they all come into that chamber.
Yeah.
Surveyors from a local authority building control team inspect the foundations of a new housing estate in Cambridgeshire. It's their job to ensure that set standards are met, for example in structural integrity, fire safety and energy efficiency. And through early partnership with developers and contractors, they aim to add value and bring certainty to all stages of the design and build process.
We are in the business of building relationships with our customers. It is our objective that we can facilitate the early resolution of any design and construction challenges before they manifest themselves on site. And in that way, we hope to minimise the policing role of building control and emphasise its ability to facilitate earlier and timely and efficient delivery of construction projects and programmes.
Building control is the only regulated service which is in competition with the private sector. But after more than 30 years of competition, local authorities still receive 2/3 of building control applications. Everything from loft conversions and small house extensions to big landmark schemes like the Shard and some of the Olympic buildings in London. And as it's local, knowledge of site history and ground conditions is often invaluable in specifying excavations and foundations.
Local authority building control is fantastic for us. They know the area well, they know previous schemes, so they can tell us about any issues, historical, flooding issues, drainage issues, and also they have forged very good relationships with other sort of regulatory bodies that we need to gain sign-off from. They're not seen as a process that needs to be followed. They're seen more as a team member all the way through. So we help solve problems together as they come up.
And representing local authority building control nationally across England and Wales is LABC. It provides one voice on technical matters to both government and industry and runs schemes to support contractors and developers to partner successfully with local authorities for multi-site developments in different locations.
I do think it's got an important role to play in facilitating the conversations between different individual services, in providing advice to officers on the ground and indeed managers of those services, but also in creating the glue that is a consistent quality and operational standard. And through things like the partnership scheme, fostering that inter-organisational working for the benefit of national or international contractors.
And to help cope with the reality of local government financial constraints, LABC also encourages new models of collaboration, like here in Cambridge, where the city works with 2 local district councils to provide a single, more flexible and resilient building control service.
The local authority building control sector is in a competitive marketplace. We're trying to modernise the services and the offer that we can provide. We're thinking about how we can adapt to our different clients' needs. We aim to be outcome focused and what we're trying to do here in Cambridge and what we're trying to do in assisting our communities is very much underpinned by that ethos.
The construction industry employs 1 in 10 people in the UK and is important to all local economies. And local authority building control plays a crucial role in creating excellent buildings which are fit for purpose and a safe environment we all want and can enjoy. It's a service that deserves our support.